Level 200, oh boy. I dream I would teach school more. No. Kwasi adwene went in a munye yie asiafo amonwene went to school abia wo de abra wo maame ne wo papa is pain, a lot of pain. Oh boy, mia wo konwe ku me make school me ka kire o say school hopeful na yansamanfo
Ebusia on the 27th of February 2025 yanti asempa ye wo hwa na ete se abaya fefefe bi anidin ede Joanna Dele Adem Yabani etumi ewu ya ewo KNUST na chese enti ya tete chese ne boyfriend ne kunu ebisi na ye robbery ene ensem bi be ye bebra na nya asem keto akwa wo media ne so ma police kwa arrest suspect kese ne hu bon asem ni mu no na no ena no pa we die wa wani chia e prophet Kofi Oduro aba wa betru fight aha let's start the issue not and first time for printer video me so say obo subscribe ama me no follow your Facebook as let's start the issue not and TikTok and so as let's talk GH. Comment bi a won na waja e comment section ho e de amamen. Ebusia ene ye wa ha ye nka bi nhemu ana awrehosem ene abaya fe wo show screen this one ene won na da ho a chese yet why this very early kra na te say on the 27th of February 2025 ya chese ye hu ne lifeless body e wo KNUST campus wa chese ne kofo bu say ebi mu say ene ye robbery because wo KNUST hu se nua bebre sisi wo esum bi ni ade enso e wo ho kakra ntine nkofo ka se ye nkofo ta attack students pa e wo ho ti ebia na ye robbery na nche so mafa so e de aku girl no e ko hwehwem chese reporter na e ba kire se ono ankasa ne boyfriend na etimi ahwe nyankopo anim e di na wuo na chese aye alleged nti wo mu na chese ye ti se police akwa arrest ye boy ya chese isi ano omode no kopie mu wo court asese a court ese onkodem onkomu na on the 17th of March ya ombekwa kuyine na afi o masa aba bidi na asem na no asem we ba media no so obi e ka de ye ne de ebisi enye boy na ebisi ye boy na ebisi ye robbery ene nsem na be bebre na te sakoya rehosem because girl you according to reporter I gather trace or you very brilliant girl and a very beautiful innocent looking and all that what I say and then go focus muko square mako twempena ebisi ye mpena twe ebisi nye mpena twe ene nsem na akoye bebre e media no so asesi ade wo police for nsem a boy yi na swaye hia te see awodem se kopem se court enya ndi wie se ye onu ase enya onu ane de evidences bi omuhia because girl ne nioma ne laptop ne books awodi according to report is okosua ade no ne boy ne ba omunam kwanso a boy itumi ye ne sa enti evidences ni nyina de omu se omagada omu gusu a se omu ye ensem no mu enhwehwemu na yete ho a na ne he Prophet Kofi Oduro nim se ono de asem de de se de tie bia se ye ya se ye de se wo kan ebe ye wo ya odina no be ba betum waba aba beka bi ne nsem a wo kan nyina ne se ene nkura maba this generation kasa ye sick generation because sebi asem kwasa asem ku an ye di ye de akosku si ye nkosua de no empanachi and you.
These priorities. Look at the way a 21-year-old beautiful girl's life has been wasted. My baby girl was telling me, Daddy, have you heard that a young beautiful girl has been killed? I said, not really. I checked the news and and I said, what happened? She said, her boyfriend killed her. And I said, but she went to school to learn. Why are you in that school? Level 100, oh a boy. Level 200, oh a boy. I dream I would teach school more. No. Kwasi adwene went in a munye yie. Asiafo amonwene. You went to school. Abia wo de abra wo maame ne wo papa is pain, a lot of pain. And I stand here to commiserate with the parents of this beautiful girl because Obano wabeda ne wadamfo wabeda ne wunia wuni ni dinkomo eyeye wo kire na dwen eyeye ne so abamfa so hwede yesie o boy mia wo konwe ku me make school me catch them say school hopeful na yansamanfo no one me can't say obiya ye obibi. Free say school mo as far as I'm concerned, obiya in school mo. Wonko na uko school no. Obiya wo school ho yesaman. Wonko ani nipa wo school. Hwan wan ka so obi bo me, obiya ka me ho asem ensamanfo omo nka nipa ho asem. Enti se me ba edibia 24 25 I'm say ewura afedi obetimi akoware meja wala ya ma eno so kura me de mani di achi me hu so abrante bi no kasa nkasa enanu ye ne de nam obi ni ansome kasa de twitwi ni kom relax Ewie adwuma relax obi komia obi kon bia mia obi bakon mumi enu na mu ko school se mu kosia de. How do you misplace your priorities like this? Then umamie titi ni boyire makotua university fees. Otifie ni ebeba be ka che ne se oba ne hye mochire. Generation here then. Stand to your feet, let's pray. Before we I speak to the nation. I speak to the conscience of the nation. All these appointees, we have not given you post for post. Lexus Mono BB. What is wrong with us? No, what is wrong with us? I arrived yesterday, I had to minister, somewhere. And they said to me, we have arranged, police escorts and motorcade to come and pick you. I said, what for? Police motorcade. Hi, neighbor. Oh, my, ni pache, wo my mobrofu. Ubi ba no the motorcade dinner. Say, there be a me ba sorry, I'm in Kuanamba. I don't know, a baby as a motorcade dinner. Yeah. For what? I told them, tell them to give away. We will be there. Why? Minister of State Kobe Binamoto Kedinen. Hedi krumu finya ya ukase penimu bi antikroimu. Monyene. This week Ghana is going to be 60 something. Monyene. And I'm going to have a prophetic message to the nation next week. Should have done it this today. I mean, who watch him in person this fire? Next week. Think. Because listen. Dear, I can say some now ball man you from. I can say some. You know how you see a drew. And no na say what man. Obia ya di bibi kakra maami ya ko hu sika woni dem maami ya no sisa ball yi says can no different na obia wo sisa ball am put die ne na de wo risk aso Mushare, you are a sick nation. Ghana me so jare. It's an opportunity to say Mawajuma, let your work speak, not your words. Mokasa too much. Mornings from 6 to 11. Talk, cheap talk. Kobe na me sheme ni de na me senkrofo ya hyehyɛ wo mukuru. Ennam krom sana me bɔ me nsam bi obi ya abante na me bɔ me nsam. Fa hyehyɛ wo mukuru. Wo mu ni communion da tons wo mu mo bi da. Mo baptism wo mu mo bi da. na momote ha and I say who this that your mouth be the break to be an abusian phone na be them hospitals high. You don't fear God, and your priorities are misappropriated, miscalculated priorities. Be a person who you baby and some more money. And because of misplaced
Ebusua na kyese ade a kyese prophet Kofi Oduro de aba no ne ene waba aba be fire a kyese enya sem ketwa kura ne de wo kyire mu se ye ko school na nka ebe ya school ye de wakọ maame abre papa abre etwa wo school fees se ko ne kosua ade wanfa wanko se ko ne kotwempena wata ase enti no uko school na ne ese book na esi kosua no eno na ko ne kosua na mpena twensem se wo se enu ti ne etese de etie na ade e wo se ye no enye no ne koye kora se wanyini kwa na wo ye mfa no ba 21 years de wone mpena twe de monam he any prophet Kofi Oduro edwalai pa na abusua this particular murder case no asemwe ne eda so e wo court a suspect no ya che no a omuguso omu ye nhwehwemu a kosise omubehu se ye no kre se boy no ene kunge on ampa anase na ye robbery attack but according to reports ni say CCTV cameras a ewo sa biaye ho no e capture moment a boy no